Good morning, sir.
Good evening, Hemant. Good evening, Rashul. Good evening, Steve.
Good evening, sir.
So, especially Hemant, you had lots of doubts. Actually, Manu said told me about you were facing this last time because you had some exam in your school. So, because of that, I think you missed some classes, polynomials. So, in case you have any doubt, you can see you can go through first. You can go through recordings. Then classwork sheet also have this now uploaded on this Google Classroom, so you can go through those PDFs of classwork. And
Yes, sir.
if you have any doubt, then we can discuss.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So, Rashul, Steve, any question you want to ask? Because these are especially for you only. Directly, you can ask me any topic you want to discuss or any question. Once again,
Sir, can you revise the basics once?
basics of
Polynomials.
polynomials. Okay, basics of polynomials. Fine. So quickly we'll say polynomials basics. Basically, say polynomials stands for what we mean by poly means many. Poly means we can say many, and nomials means terms. Nomials means terms. So it has many terms. Nomials means terms. Nominal means term. So nominals means terms. So it has polynomial is a we can say expression which will have one or more term. One or more term. So this is basically a basic understanding of polynomials, many terms. So now we can say types of polynomials. So types of polynomials are further divided into two types. First one based on number of terms. First is the first this now part is based on number of terms. In this now based on number of terms, we have first one monomial. Monomial means one. Monomial means one term. Mono means one. It has one term. A polynomial having one term is called as monomial. Example x. Other example 2 also we can have, or 2x square. Say 2x square, 2x and one more time x are in multiplication. So we can say 2x square is one term only, minus 3x cube, correct? 5 by 2, etc. 5 by 2 or 5 by 2x, etc. First one is this based on number of terms. First one is monomial. Second one binomial. Bi means two, nomial means term. Here mono was one and mono is one and nomial means term. Bi means two terms. So polynomial having two terms is called as binomial. Example x plus 2 or minus 3x square plus 5. Two terms. Say, by addition or subtraction, our terms get separated. So minus 3x square plus 5 will have two terms. Then 5x cube minus 3, etc. All have two terms. Correct. So let me write one more example. It can be like minus y plus 6, because see y minus y plus 6 is a polynomial having two terms, so binomial, and it is in terms of y x t u v in any variable it can be. Third type is trinomial. Trinomial, as the name says, tri means three. So we can say three terms. A polynomial having 3 terms is called a trinomial. So example can be x square minus 3x plus 5 or x cube minus 5x plus 6, any 3 terms. So by multiplication or division, terms are remaining same. In addition, subtraction, by addition, subtraction, terms are separated, we can say. So these are having 3 terms. One more example we can have minus, suppose y square plus 6y plus 7, etc. It is also 3 terms. This is trinomial. Now we have next one, fourth one. That is, we can say, fourth one will be, we can say monomial, binomial, trinomial. Fourth one we can write as polynomial only, because more than 4 we can say polynomial simply. So we can say more than 3 terms are called as polynomials. 1 term monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial, 4 term polynomial only. Example of having polynomial having 4 term will be x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 6, or y cube minus or plus any value 5y square minus 3y plus 2, etc. It has, we can say, 4 terms. So 4 or more terms, we can say polynomial means more than 3 terms, 4, 5, 6. That will be called as polynomial, basically simply polynomial only. So understood this, Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
One question, 2 questions actually based on these types. See, suppose we have question ki how many, what we have to tell what type of polynomial it is. So first one is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x square minus 3x cube plus 2x minus, we can say, 1 second, plus 2x cube minus 3x square and minus 5. So try to just now, let me know the type of polynomial. Second case, minus 5x square plus 6x minus 2x square minus 6x plus 7x square minus 10. What is the answer of both questions?
Both of them are polynomials.
Polynomial, okay. Final answer, please check once again. Rashul, Steve, you also can try. Once again, please check. See, here now we'll simplify the equations. Basic thing is we'll simplify the equations. So first one, see, x cube and minus 3x square. So minus 3x square here also 3x square. So they will cancel out. Correct. Then we have x cube minus 3x square. So x cube minus 3x square will be minus 2x cube. X cube, or we can say minus 3x cube plus 2x cube will be minus x cube, and minus x cube will cancel with plus x cube. So remaining value after simplification is only 5x square plus 2x minus 5. That means 3 terms. So trinomial. Second one similarly, 6x and 6x will cancel. Minus 5x square minus 2x square will be minus 7x square. So minus 7x square will cancel with 7x square. Only minus 10 will be remaining. Minus 10 means only 1 term, that is monomial. That is a monomial. Understood? So we have to simplify the equations for
Yes, sir, I got it.
given polynomial, and then we can write the values. Correct. Now we'll see second type in polynomials. See, we had first type based on number of terms. Now we'll see second type. In types of polynomials, in second correct this one. Second is based on degree of x, or we can say maximum power of x, based on degree of polynomial, based on degree of polynomials. So degree basically is maximum power of x in a polynomial. So first one is constant polynomial. We've seen in our last class also polynomial. So for constant polynomial, basically constant polynomial means degree will be 0 degree, or we can say degree will be 0 degree. Let me show how this is. So first one is constant polynomial, degree will be 0. So example can be simply 2 or -2. So why 2? Because 2, nothing is there apart from -2. So -2 we can write it -2 into 1, and 1 we can write it x to the power 0. That's why degree will be, we can say, 0. Now second example, we can say 5, simply 5. So 5 means 5 into x to the power 0, or we can say -10. -10 means -10 into x to the power 0, etc. All these are having example of constant polynomial. Second case, constant means constant value. Constant basically constant polynomial is constant value. So
Sir, that means in constant polynomials, when there is, like it says 3x or something, when there is no power mentioned, it
correct,
means that the degree is 0.
right. So we can write constant polynomial like this: px equal to -2, px equal to 5, and px equal to -10. Understood? Because
Yes, sir.
constant means constant value. We can say constant means constant value, and nothing is given. That means 1. 1 means x to the power 0. Here also x to the power 0. Here also x means 0 degree. Basically, we have started with 0, so 0 degree. See, second, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. See, linear polynomial will have, after 0 what comes? 1. So for linear polynomial, this was the constant polynomial. For linear polynomial, 1 degree means 1 degree means we can say x to the power 1. Cpx can be written as -3x, or px is polynomial in terms of x. Px is polynomial in terms of x. Minus 5x plus 3, or px we can write as any value 20x minus 5, etc. Here we can see x to the power x, nothing is in, that is obviously 1, 1, 1, 1. That's why degree 1, maximum power of x. Degree is maximum power of x. Degree is basically maximum power of x. So degree we can understood as maximum power of x. X means x or any variable in which the polynomial is expressed, x, y, or t. Here we have polynomial in terms of x, so that's why we have written x. So maximum power of x will be 1 in linear polynomial. Suppose someone asks, what is there any other power of x also? Yes, is there. 3 is given. 3 means obviously 3 into 1. 1 we can write x to the power 0. So 1 power of x 0 also. Here -5 means 5 -5 into 1, x to the power 0. But maximum power of x will be 1. Third type, that is, you can say quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So one more degree, that is 2 degree. We can say second quadratic polynomial, we can say is a second degree polynomial or 2-degree polynomial. So maximum power of x will be maximum power of x will be 2. So example can be x square plus 2x plus 1 or px equal to, px means polynomial in terms of x, minus 3x square plus x minus 4, etc. So here maximum power of x will be 2. Here you can say 2, here also 2, because other powers of x are also there. That is, one is here it is 1, and 1 means 1 into 1, that is x to the power 0, and here also minus 4 means minus 4 into 1, that is x to the power 0. But maximum power of x will be equal to, we can say 2. So we have quadratic polynomial.
Sir, can you repeat quadratic polynomial?
Say in quadratic polynomial, degree will be 2. Degree means maximum power of x. So here we can say, I have given you two examples, two cases. Here we have equation, we have polynomial px, x square plus 2x plus 1. So here power of x is 2 and other powers of x are 1 and 0, because 2 into x. 2 into x means 2 into x to the power 1. So 1 is less than 2. Here 1 means 1 into 1. You can multiply 1 with 1. Basically constant value. So x to the power 0. So x to the power 0 means maximum power of x will be 2. That's the quadratic. Quadratic polynomial will have degree 2. Or we can say degree is maximum power of x. Maximum power of x will be 2 in quadratic polynomial. In second example also we can see, here x to the x square means power of x is 2. And other cases we can see, here 1, here 0. So other powers of x are also there. See minus 4. Minus 4 we can write minus 4 into 1. 1 will be x to the power 0. So other powers of x are there, that is 1 and 0, but maximum is 2. So quadratic polynomial. Understood? Just wait.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when there is a polynomial like it says 3x square multiplied by 2x square.
Okay.
So
3x
so it
square
stays,
into 2x square.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this
So the degrees,
degree will be
so the
4.
degree will be 4 or 2.
4, no? We will multiply. We will multiply to 3 into 2. Like terms will be multiplied. Like 3 and 2 are numbers. 3 to the 6. And other like term is x square and x square. They will also be multiplied. X to the power. Base will be same. Power will be added. Base will be same xx. Power will be added 4. So maximum power of x is 4. So degree will be
Yes, sir, got it.
4. Fourth degree or degree 4 degree. Degree 4 or the polynomial having 4th degree. No problem. Now we will see fourth. This can also be as example. Fourth one. Third, fourth. Fourth one is called as cubic. Cubic means 3. Cubic polynomial. Cubic means 3. Polynomial. So 3 degree. Cubic you can remember by quadratic is degree 2. Cubic you can remember by x plus y cube formula or a plus b cube formula. Cube means 3. Cube, a plus b cube, x plus y cube. Similarly, cubic means degree 3. So 3 degree. So here example. Yeah, this is an example. One more example we can write here. Not necessary 3 terms always. Not necessary 3 terms. Example can be like this. Px equal to, suppose minus 10 x square plus 6, etc. This can be also the example, minus 10 x square. Always see maximum power of x. So maximum power of x is 2. That means quadratic polynomial. Other power we don't have to. Main is x power, maximum power of x should be 2. Now next case is cubic polynomial. So degree 3. So for degree 3, we can have the example like simply x cube, you got degree 3, or minus 5x cube plus 6, or minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 6. Like these type of examples can be px and we can be minus or plus 6x cube minus 2, etc. So here in every case we can see degree is 3, maximum power of x, degree is 3, maximum power of x is 3. So degree will be 3. The maximum power of x we have to make on it because other powers are also there, other values, other powers of x. Like in this equation, this has only one power, 3, so degree will be 3. For this one, suppose 6. 6 means 6 into 1. 1 is x to the power 0. So other degrees for other power of x is 0. Here other power is 2 and 1. 1 for 5x minus 5x. Minus 5x means minus 5x to the power 1. Here 6 means x to the power 0. 6 means 6 into 1. 1 is x to the power 0. So other powers are also there, but maximum will be 3. Here minus 2. Minus 2 means minus 2 into 1. 1 is x to the power 0. So maximum power of x will be 3. That's why cubic polynomial. Fifth one. Fifth one is called as degree 4. So it is called as biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial.
Not understanding, sir.
Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. You can ask that
Sir,
also.
you're from Zoom meeting? You're from Zoom management?
See, biquadratic polynomial. So biquadratic means quadratic means 2 and bi means 2. Means bi is 4 double and quadratic we have seen 2. 2 to 4. You can say 4 degree. 2 to 4. So 4 degree. Degree 4 or 4th degree polynomial will be called as biquadratic polynomial. So example, px we can write as x to the power 4 simply, or degree means maximum power of x, or any value minus 2x4 plus 6 or 5x to the power 4.
You're from Zoom management.
Sir, can you clear the chat box?
Chat, why they are using this language? I've removed that 1%. One second. So biquadratic polynomial. 1 second. How you can clear 1 second? No problem. Say biquadratic polynomial will be this one, like maximum power of x will be 4, maximum power of x will be 4, 4, 4, and 4. Correct. This way we can say biquadratic polynomial 4th degree. And higher than this now we can say simply polynomial. And this higher than degree 4, bi means 2 and quadratic also 2, 2 to 4. So you can remember higher than this you can say simply polynomial. So now questions. Fine. So let me, we can write more than 4 also, 6th type. We can say simply, we can mention this as polynomial more than 4 degree. More than 4 degree. If they ask the type of polynomial based on degree. So example, we can have px x to the power 5 and px minus 2x to the power 5 or any value plus 6x 4 plus 3. Just we have to focus on maximum power of x, that is 5 or 6 can also be 5 6 or any higher minus 3 etc. So any high power more than 4 we can have as a polynomial. Now we will see 1-2 questions based on number of degree. So first one, let me write in y. In y it will be py minus 3y plus 5y square minus 7y plus 10y square minus 15y square plus 6 . Okay, first one. Second question, we can have in polynomial in terms of t also, in any variable basically. So in terms of t will be pt. So we can have one question, t 5t square minus 6 t cube plus 7t minus 5t square minus 7t. What are the answers for these questions? First one,
Sir, for second one, it is polynomial, sir.
okay. Second one,
The
polynomial.
degree, the highest degree is 5.
Where
Sorry,
5?
4.
Where
4,
4?
4.
4 is also
For the
not there.
second one.
Second one, where I written 4?
Sir, there are 2 minus 5t square, right?
So 5, see, let me write the answer for first one. First we'll see first one. See, 5y square plus 10y square will be 15y square. 15y square minus 15. So okay, this will cancel out. And minus 3y minus 7y. So py will become minus
Minus 10y.
10y plus 6. So we can say y is power is 1. So we can say 1 degree, or we can say degree of this polynomial will be 1. For second one, pt, we can simplify again. So 5t square minus 5t square cancel, correct? 70 cancel. Simply minus 6t cube will be there. So we can say 3 degree, because we have other terms will cancel out. Just we have to simplify and make a note of maximum power of t. Here this polynomial will be called as polynomial in terms of t, because variable is t, and here polynomial in terms of y, because variable is y. Other are coefficients. Y coefficient is minus 3. Here y coefficient, y square coefficient was 5, is constant values. Y coefficient is minus 7. Y square coefficient 10. Y square coefficient minus 15, and 6 is constant 10. Correct. Now one last point here. These are basically types of polynomials based on number of terms and based on degree. One last point for polynomial, you can make a note that a polynomial should no, we can add must. Polynomial must have you can say is the powers of x. Suppose it is expressed in x as you can say positive of integer only. 1 second. Positive as positive integers only. What we mean by positive integers only? See, polynomial must have powers of x, or when we say degree, powers of x is degree only as positive integers only. So, suppose this is the polynomial x to the power minus 3 plus 5x square minus 5. So this will not be considered as a polynomial because here one power is, it should be 3, not minus 3, not in negative. Positive integers only. Positive integers only. Positive integers means including 0. Here we can write 0 is also a positive number, including 0. Including 0. Because 0 is also considered as a positive number. So this will not be a polynomial. One more example. Suppose we have like px equal to 1 by x minus 2. So this will be polynomial or not? See, if you see here, it is power is 1. But 1 by x minus 2 will have negative power because it is in denominator side. So not a polynomial. Then suppose we have px as 3x square minus or plus x to the power 3 by 2 minus 7. So this will be polynomial? No, because we have 3 by 2 is a fractional number, not integer. 3 by 2 is a fractional number, not in integer. So 3 by 2 will not be a, you can say, power of x. So cross. Degree will be integer value because we know integers are represented by, here we can write star and star. Integers are represented by symbol, we can say z. In some books they use I also. So you write positive integers. So positive integers, if you write, so integers, suppose for z I am writing. So z set means values which the integers will have. Dot means this will go on. Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are values of integers. Now we have, suppose, positive integers. Because positive integers we want in as a power of x. Positive integers will be written z plus. Positive integers will be, we can have symbol z plus. So positive means it will start from 0. 0 is also a positive integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot, number will go on. So these are positive powers of x. So 0 is also there. So powers of x will be like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative value, negative integers will be minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, till minus 1. And numbers can be even lesser, like minus 6, minus 1, but all will be negative. So understood, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll also have.
Sir, but I got.
Yes, yes.
Sir, but I have a small doubt.
Yes.
Sir, when it says 3x square
Hmm.
to the power of 4 and
Hmm.
4x in to the power of minus 4.
Question 3x to the power 4
To the power of 4, yes.
minus
4x to the power of minus 4.
minus 4. Okay. This is the polynomial.
So,
we are saying. This
yes,
is
sir.
px. So what is your question?
So what will be the degree?
Say degree is always find, or degree we always find for a proper polynomial or for a defined polynomial. Means it should be first, it should be a polynomial. Here we can see power of x is negative. Power of x is negative, so it will not be a polynomial. So after, once it is a polynomial, then only we can find its degree.
Sir, that means in a polynomial there should be like all
Integers,
the
right? Positive integers only. All the parts of it
yeah,
should be. That's why we have underlined. See, one more suppose example. Suppose we have polynomial px in terms of x, like this is value 1 by 3x square minus x or plus 5. This is the polynomial. Normally if you see, so you'll find degree is 2 because x 3x square, but all the values are in denominator side. So once this will go up, no, the negative sign will come. Once it will go up, so like this, it will be like 3x square minus x plus 5 to the power minus 1. So minus 1 will come. So all the terms will become negative. So basically, it will not be a polynomial.
yes sir, got it.
1 by 3x square minus x plus 5 will not be considered as a polynomial because it will have negative powers of x. So tomorrow also 5:15 to 5:45 hour, you can see extra class. You can join. Thank you.
Okay, sir.